Okay, so this is a very nice experiment that can be used to have fun with falling objects and also rotations, and maybe make the students wonder about what kind of miracles can happen with simple objects. So we have a marble here, which we can put on top of this meter stick. Just put some tape here to make the marble stay on top. And then we have a candle cup that we use as a holder to catch the falling marble. And then we can ask the students what may happen, what could happen when we drop everything at the same time. So obviously the marble will fall and the whole meter stick will fall. And then there is a sweet spot, some kind of specific angle that you can try to find, and then when you drop it, like this. And then the next question, of course, is how does that work? So you have a free falling marble, but it seems that for some reason this meter stick falls even faster than the free falling marble. So the marble has time to go inside this cup holder there. And then the next question would be, why is the meter stick falling faster than the free falling marble?